Are you ready to turn your passion for creating videos into a lucrative source of income? You've come to the right place. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make money on YouTube. In today's digital age, the opportunities for content creators are boundless. But with so many strategies out there, where do you begin? Fear not. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, this comprehensive guide will walk you through 10 proven strategies to monetize your channel and turn your dreams into reality. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Have you ever wondered how your favorite YouTubers make money? The answer lies in the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows creators to earn revenue through advertisements displayed on their videos. But how do you qualify? It's simple. You need to meet certain criteria set by YouTube, including 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within a specified time frame. While the earnings may vary based on several factors, including viewer demographics and content niche, joining the partner program is a crucial step towards monetizing your channel. Number 2. Earn support from subscribers with channel memberships. Imagine having a dedicated community of supporters who are eager to see your content thrive. With YouTube's channel memberships, you can turn this dream into a reality. Similar to platforms like Patreon, channel memberships allow subscribers to pledge a monthly fee in exchange for exclusive perks and rewards. Whether it's behind-the-scenes access or personalized shoutouts, offering channel memberships not only provides financial support, but also strengthens the bond with your audience. Number 3. Put promotional links in your video descriptions. Your video descriptions are more than just a summary of your content. They're valuable real estate for promoting products and services. By strategically placing promotional links in your video descriptions, you can drive traffic to external websites and maximize your earning potential. Whether it's a lead magnet, your own merchandise, or affiliate products, leveraging your video descriptions is a simple yet effective way to boost revenue without relying solely on ads. Number 4. Feature sponsors in your videos. Sponsored content is a fantastic way to monetize your channel while providing value to your audience. By partnering with brands relevant to your niche, you can create authentic and engaging sponsored message that resonate with your viewers. Whether it's showcasing a product, service, or event, integrating sponsors into your content adds another revenue stream to your channel. However, it's crucial to maintain transparency and authenticity throughout the sponsorship process. Disclose sponsored content clearly to your audience and ensure that the products or services align with your brand and audience's interests. By delivering genuine endorsements and providing valuable insights, you can build trust with both your viewers and potential sponsors. Remember, the key to successful sponsorships is to strike a balance between monetization and audience satisfaction. So start reaching out to brands, negotiate fair deals, and elevate your content with exciting sponsor collaborations. Number 5. Publish product-focused promotional videos. Branded videos offer a unique opportunity to showcase products or services while providing valuable content to your audience. Whether it's through product reviews, tutorials, or sponsored content, leveraging your influence to promote brands can generate revenue through affiliate partnerships and sponsorships. Remember to disclose any paid promotions transparently and prioritize your audience's interests to maintain trust and engagement. Number 6. Leverage affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy for monetizing your content and driving sales for third-party products or services. By partnering with brands and promoting their products through affiliate links, you can earn commissions for every sale generated through your unique tracking link. Whether you're recommending skincare products, tech gadgets, or online courses, affiliate marketing offers a flexible and scalable way to monetize your influence. However, success in affiliate marketing requires more than just sharing links. It's essential to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience and inspires them to take action. From in-depth product reviews to tutorial videos and comparison guides, there are countless ways to incorporate affiliate links seamlessly into your content. Additionally, it's crucial to choose affiliate programs and products that align with your niche and audience's interests. By focusing on relevant and valuable recommendations, you can build trust and credibility with your viewers while maximizing your earning potential through affiliate marketing. Number 7. Take advantage of crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon offer creators a direct way to monetize their content while fostering community engagement. By offering exclusive perks and rewards to patrons, you can incentivize support and generate recurring revenue streams. Whether it's early access to content, personalized interactions, or exclusive merchandise, crowdfunding allows you to monetize your creativity while building a loyal fan base. Number 8. Sell merchandise and custom products. Creating branded merchandise is a fantastic way to monetize your channel while strengthening your brand identity. Whether it's custom apparel, accessories, or digital products, selling merchandise allows you to capitalize on your audience's loyalty and engagement. By partnering with print-on-demand services or e-commerce platforms, you can design, promote, and sell merchandise without the hassle of inventory management. Number 9. Enable YouTube Super Chat and Super Stickers. Engaging directly with your audience during live streams can enhance viewer interaction and generate additional revenue through features like Super Chat and Super Stickers. By allowing viewers to highlight their messages or send animated stickers, you can monetize live content while creating a more immersive and rewarding experience for your audience. Number 10. License your content to external media companies. If you've created viral or newsworthy content, licensing offers a lucrative opportunity to monetize your videos beyond YouTube. By partnering with media agencies or listing your content on platforms like Junkin Media, you can earn licensing fees and expand your content's reach across different platforms and audiences. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our ultimate guide to making money on YouTube. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, these 10 strategies offer a roadmap to success in the ever-evolving world of online content creation. From joining the YouTube Partner Program to leveraging affiliate marketing and crowdfunding, the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.